So here we have exercise 1.38. So we're going to answer that. So we have two ropes in a vertical plane exert an equal magnitude for forces on a hanging weight pull with an angle of 86 degrees between them. Okay. What pull does one exert if the resultant pull is 372 Newton directly upward? So that is the question. So this is 1.38. So this is 1.38. So if we are going to actually draw this sketch of this problem, so example, we have a Cartesian coordinate system here. Okay, this is our x, this is our y. Here we have, for example, vector A, and we have here an equal vector B. So we have the ropes in a vertical plane exert an equal magnitude forces on a hanging weight, but pull with an angle of uh, 30 degrees between them. Okay. So we have an angle of 86 86.0 degrees. So meaning this is 43 degrees and this one is 43.0 degrees. Okay. So what pull does one exert if the resultant pull is 300 Newton directly upward? So if the resultant pull is a vector C, okay, we have vector C here. Okay, that is the resultant pull. And the magnitude of our vector C is given, which is 372 Newton. So now what do we know about here? So uh, we know in the problem that A plus B. And we know that when we have this, we have AX plus BX, and we have CY is equal to AY plus BY. So here, our C only lies on the Y component. So meaning the X component is 0. So we have AX is equal to BX from this equation. So we have your AX. So if this is your vector A, your A is just A cosine, or your AX is just A. In that case, your A is just A sine of 43 degrees. So why? Because if you have this vector A angle here, okay, then then your AY is the cosine, A cosine, and your AX is the A sine of theta. This is A cosine of theta. If the theta is in here, located here. So meaning your AX is just A sine of 43 degrees, and your BX is also B sine of 43 degrees. Okay. So meaning you can cancel this out. So meaning your A plus is equal to B. So that is your first equation from this. Okay. Since your since CY, okay, CY is equal to AY plus BY. So your CY is equal to A, and then uh you have you have your A is just cosine of 43 degrees plus B cosine of 43 degrees. Since A is equal to B, then this is equally 2 times A cosine of 43 degrees, since A is equal to B. So since CY, or our since The magnitude of our C is given by, we call this one 372 Newton. This is equal to the square root of Cx squared plus Cy squared. Okay. So meaning this is 0. So this is the square root of Cy squared. This is equal to Cy. Okay. So meaning this is equal to 372 Newton. So this is 372 Newton. Okay. Then you can get, using from this equation, okay, you can get that the magnitude of your one vector is equal to 372 Newton divided by 2 times cosine of 43 degrees. Okay, so what is the magnitude of that? So, so let's use your calculator. So 372 over 2 times cosine 43. So we have 254 Newton. So this is your final answer. Okay, that is the what pull does each one exert if the resultant pull is 372 Newton directly upward. So this is the detailed solution for this equation. So thank you everyone for watching. Please click subscribe. Please click the subscribe button and like our video, and please leave a comment. See you in our next videos. God bless everyone.